Today I'm over in Rochester meeting with Susan from Helsing Junction Farm. The 50-acre certified organic farm is widely known for their Community Supportive Agriculture Program, or CSA boxes.
Now, you all, I understand, are one of the first CSAs? Is that correct?
Yes, we are. We've been operating our CSA for 26 seasons, and we're one of the largest in the country, actually. We started our first year with 75 families, and now we're up to 1,200 families.
Susan says that for 20 weeks during the year, each one of their CSA families will receive a box filled with a variety of their fresh produce.
Now, how many different varieties of greens do you grow?
Oh, well, we grow probably a good 15 varieties of lettuces, chards, several kinds of kale. In the spring, we do a lot of Asian greens.
With the wide variety of fresh greens, Susan showed me how they cut and prep the kale.
Normally what we do is we just cut the leaves with our hands.
All right.
And then you want to lay them into a nice pile.
Like
That's,
this?
Well, more like a flat, so they're more a little flat.
On top of each other.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
And then basically it's just a twist tie.
All right. The tie is the hardest part for me.
It is. It's a little...
Who knew?
And then normally, we would cut the ends so they're even.
Okay. You make it
There
look
you
so easy.
Well, after millions of bunches in my lifetime,
Okay.
I've gotten pretty good about it.
Great.
After seeing all the beautiful greens ready for harvest, Susan takes me over to where it all starts.
Well, this is our greenhouse, and this is where we start all of our babies. We start in really about mid-February, actually.
Oh, okay.
And get our first planting is usually mid-April. And then this is pretty much our last batch for the summer that will go out for fall.
Oh, okay.
And so we have 6 greenhouses, and at the peak, they're all full.
Susan explains that once the seedlings are ready, they will use the transplanting machine to plant them. And it just so happens that there was an open seat on the machine, so I had to give it a try.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. And is this my first hole?
Could be, but
Start where the water is. Okay, so this will be my first hole.
yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna come in here. Ooh, oh, we gotta go fast.
That one's a little mucky.
Yeah. Hot diggity. Wow, this is a lot more. I mean, this is something I could see getting down with a day's worth of practice.
Oh yeah.
It really takes a rhythm and
Yeah, once you get into a rhythm with it, every time it can be a little different.
Right.
That's the nature of farming. You just have to kind of adapt to your conditions all the time.
After we finished transplanting, I asked Susan to explain why this region is the perfect place to grow such an abundance of fresh greens and produce.
Western Washington has beautiful soil. We're on the Chehalis River, so our soil is extremely lush. The weather here is perfect in the summer, as you know. We get much more, warmer weather and cooler nights, so certain crops really love that. It's a really beautiful place to grow food, and now with the growing population, we have plenty of people to buy our produce, and that also is important.